Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ragil Dwi Prasetyowati Yatiman. You can call me Ragil. I'm from study program Civic Education. Okay, today I will read a summary of lesson 1 and 16 from the Sunset English level 2. So, in lesson 1, the topic discussed is introduction and basic greetings. Then, in lesson 1, we focus on like and dislike, adverb of frequency, yes or no questions, self-introduction, and asking basic personal information. Then, in lesson 2, the topic can in affirmative statement. We focus on can and cannot, good and well, and yes or no questions with can. Lesson 3 discuss the topic of like and dislike, can and cannot, like to and can, and but. Lesson 4, the topic is preposition of time. We focus on preposition of time and contradicting with can and cannot. In lesson 5, the topic discussed is describing someone. We focus on describing someone with questions where, what, how, why, and who, and questions with why. Lesson 6 discuss the topic of affirmative statements in the present continuous, negative statements in the present continuous, and questions with how and who. Lesson 7 discuss the topic of object pronouns. We then focus on these differences in the color of body pants, starting from A, and hair color, then the size of the clothes worn. Lesson 8 discuss the topic of the present continuous and spelling the ing from the verb. Lesson 9 discuss the topic of vocabulary direction, negative, informatives, and how and how. Far. We focus on vocabulary directions, the form of imperative for the directions. Lesson 10 discuss the topic of would, like to, go plus verb plus ing, short on words with would, like to. In lesson 11, the topic discussed in nouns as adjectives. We focus on nouns as as adjectives. Nouns can come before, after nouns, and act as adjective. Lesson 12 discuss the topic direction. In lesson 13, the topic discussed is have to end negative sentence with have to. We then focus on vocabulary adjectives, and you do not must state the net. Lesson 14 discuss the topic of soul. We focus on the negative form of soul and short unwares with soul. Lesson 15 discuss the topic of have to. We focus on short answers with have to, how much, how often, and how long. Finally, in lesson 16, the topic discussed is before you have to get here before 10 o'clock. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.